Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you best way to watch Netflix for free. Before we start, hurry up and check out the suffrages under this video. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how or what is the best way here to start watching Netflix for free. Now, we all know that Netflix is actually a paid platform. So in order for you to start watching movies or TV series, well, you need to get a premium or a plan for them in order for you to start watching. But the thing with Netflix here is before, when Netflix was threatening you, they actually provide you a free trial period. So you can try their services for about 14 days, if I'm not mistaken. Now, just to give you some idea here, right now Netflix does not offer that free trial, which in this case before we could leverage that to start watching or using the platform for free. So in this case, currently they do not offer free trials as of this moment, but there is something, or there's still something that we could leverage here. Now, the thing with Netflix here is they do different partnerships with different brands. So, in this case, people would have access to Netflix depending on what services they might have right now. So, in this case, just for example, this is T-Mobile. Now, T-Mobile actually has a option, or there's a plan on T-Mobile that also includes Netflix, which in this case, you just need to activate your Netflix account in order for you, or to activate your Netflix account that is connected on your T-Mobile account in order for you to start using it. Now, the steps to activate that is via this way. Now, in this case, the next thing that you want to do is you want to determine if your current plans right now may be for your telephone plan or whatever plan you currently have right now or subscription. You may want to ask them if Netflix is also included in your package here. So yeah, so currently this is the only way for us to start watching Netflix for free. So in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.